All right, ladies and gentlemen, 5.3. We are adding and subtracting rational expressions, so we already multiplied and divided. Today we're adding and subtracting, but we are only adding and subtracting with like denominators, so we're not worrying about unlike denominators today. That's for Friday. So today we're just doing common denominators. They already have them, okay? So we have a couple steps, and then the rest is examples. So what are my steps to adding and subtracting with like or common denominators? First, we want to rewrite the problem so that it is over the common denominator. So we want to first rewrite the problem so it's over the common denominator. We want to distribute the sign, meaning the addition or subtraction. We will do our very favorite thing in the world, which is combine like terms.
Oh yeah. That's what I do in my free time.
And then we will do our second favorite thing in the world, which is to factor the numerator and denominator. And then we will most likely be able to simplify some stuff.
What? Stop it. Oh yeah. You got cold from Shh.
Okay, you guys ready? Okay.
So do you do like your notes on one paper, then you do it to the other? I have good. I have two.
Okay, example 1. You guys are going to love this. 5 over 2m plus 4 over 2m.
This is actually all of this, right?
Okay, these are fractions, which means I have to have a common denominator. Do I have common denominators?
Yeah.
Yes, so all I have to do is add the numerator. So that's going to be 5 plus 4 over 2m. What does 5 plus 4 give me, ladies and gentlemen? 9. So this is going to be 9 over 2m.
Then we're done? Yay!
And you're done.
That's easy. This is easy now.
It's the first
Remember,
example.
fractions are your friends.
No. They're my arch enemies.
Even when we just have to add the top
Like, I'm
of
serious.
my
When you see a pound fraction, like, I'm dead.
Yeah, I know, right?
I love
Like,
Okay, example 2. n over n plus 3 plus 2 over n plus 3. That's not a lot.
No comment.
Okay. Fractions, we must have common denominators. Do I have a common denominator? Yes, so I take the numerators and add them. N plus 2 over n plus 3. Can I reduce any of that? No. Can I cross off the n in the ends? No, you can't. I guarantee at least one of you will do it on the test, and I'm going to get so mad. Okay? Remember, these are both in parentheses. You can't cancel anything unless you can cancel the whole thing. Okay, so you are done. That's your answer.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to add the Wait, are all the denominators the same in the homework?
For this one, yes. On Friday, we'll do uncommon.
It won't be as hard to like figure out what it is.
Right. Okay, you guys feel good about it? Okay, example 3. Let's look at something a little more complicated.
Oh no.
It's still not that bad.
Subtracting.
This time we're subtracting.
Are we going to get negative numbers too? Are we going to get negative numbers too?
Yep.
Oh wait, this is going to be...
Okay, guys, do I have common denominators? Yes, so I can put the whole thing over 2t minus 3. And then I have 3t minus 5t. What is 3t minus 5t going to get me?
Negative 2t.
Negative 2t. So that's all over 2t minus 3. So I have a 2t and a 2t, so I can cancel those out, right?
No.
No, you can't. This thing is in parentheses. It has to stay together. Okay, remember, addition and subtraction is like glue. They're stuck together unless you can take the whole thing out. So that's your answer. You're done. Okay, still feel good?
Really?
Okay, 3 more examples, guys.
Calm down. 3 more. I'm already on the second page. Oh, I'm still on the first page.
Okay. Y squared over y plus 1 minus y plus 2, sorry, minus 4y plus 17 over y plus 2. For these, yes. On Friday, we will be doing with uncommon denominators. But first, we're starting you with common denominators.
Test on Friday?
Quiz.
Quiz based on these 2?
Yeah. Okay. Based on the first 3. Okay. All right, guys. So first, do I have common denominators? Yes. Yes. So this is very important, and I need everybody to pay attention right now. We need to write all of this together as a fraction. Now remember, 4y plus 17 is stuck together in parentheses. So this is how you should write it. Y squared minus, in parentheses, 4y plus 17 all over y plus 2. This is not your answer. You are definitely not finished. Okay? If I have a negative in front of the parentheses, what do I have to do? Distribute that negative. So that's going to give me y squared minus 4y plus 17 over or minus 17. Whoa, sorry. Minus y plus 2. See, even teachers make mistakes. Okay. Normally we would factor this if we can, but let's think about it. This is definitely a diamond method, right? Can you think of two numbers that multiply to negative 17 and add up to negative 4?
No.
No. So is the numerator factorable?
No.
No. So you're just going to leave your answer like this. But you do want to check to make sure that you can factor it. Okay, so sometimes you will be able to factor. In this case, you can't. So that's it. You're done. Okay, example 5. 7y plus 8 over 4y plus 6 minus y minus 1 over 4y plus 6. Okay. First thing I need to figure out is, do I have a common denominator? Yes. 7y plus 8 minus, in parentheses, y minus 1. 7y plus 8 technically is in parentheses as well, but we really don't have to write it, right?
No.
All over 4y plus 6. What do I do with that negative?
Distribute.
Good, distribute. So that's going to give me 7y plus 8 minus y plus 1 all over 4y plus 6. Okay, so remember to distribute the negative to both terms. What can we do in the numerator now, guys? 7y minus y. So we're going to combine like terms. 7y minus y gives me 6y. 8 plus 1 gives me plus 9. All over 4y plus 6. Do you think I am finished?
Simplify.
No. Can I factor these guys? Yeah. 6y plus 9. How does that factor? GCF of 3. So that's going to give me 3 times 2y plus 3 over, does the denominator factor? Yes. What's the GCF? 2. So that's 2 times 2y plus 3. Do you see anything that cancels? Yeah, 2y plus 3 and 2y plus 3. So what am I left with as my answer? 3 over 2. Excellent. That's it. I'm not going to do the last one. I think you guys got it. What? I factored using a GCF. Okay, so really quickly, you have time to start on your homework. I will put it up on the dot cam. Tonight's homework is just with, on this one, is just with common denominators. On Friday, we will do not common denominators. And remember, on Friday, you also have your first quiz, okay? So make sure that you are prepared for that.